Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is me, Zeeshan Hurmaz, and back with another hot crypto project. Today, just want to talk about PICS. So basically, you know about this one project. If you watch the first part, how can we create account on this one app? So after that, I just want to give you some important detail about this one project. How can you earn money just by uploading images and just by uploading NFTs and just by uploading videos. So how can you upload the videos on this one app? So first of all, you can also earn money just by like any post, and you can also just comment on any post. You can also money from this one site. And if you want to make more money from this one app, so basically you must be, first of all, I'll place the one comment in the description box. So you simply do this comment on every post. You will be earn a passive income from every sides, because if you have a more and more followers, that means you will be if you post any NFTs, any peak, then your likes and comments will be also more. So you will be get a passive income from that sites. So basically, I just want to go to main site. You can see that over here, this is my detail, and you can simply if you don't know about that, how can I create account on this one app? So I already uploaded video about this. So basically, first of all, if you want to upload anything, so you can see, you simply click on the plus sign. So if you click on that, after that they just want to ask for photo, video and NFT. So if you have a photo, so you simply upload your photo. If you get a more and more likes and comments, you will be on more and more PIX. And if you upload a video, if you get a more and more likes and repost, so you will be get a more and more rewards. And if you upload a NFT, so they just want to charge you some gas fee in this time, and you will be also getting more and more earning on this one NFT. So basically, how can you upload? So you simply click on the upload photo button. So if you want to upload the photo, you simply click on the photo button. If you click on that, after that you will be easily to sell your photo, and you will be easily to sell your picture right over here, and you will be easily to sell post your picture right over here. You will be get almost best earning. And please make sure, if you are new to channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Zeeshan Hurmaz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you next video. I'm just uploading two photos, you can see right over here, and I'm get almost 1.36 PIX, and that's how can you earn money. And if you don't know about it, how can I withdraw the PIX from this one app? So I just want to upload second video about this one project, because this is completely a separate playlist for this one videos, because I just want to upload and I just want to clear the every question about this one apps. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Zeeshan Hurmaz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you next video.